Good morning. Well, yesterday was a very, very busy day. And so, one of the things that was able to get completed was to get the new medicine cabinet installed. Yay! I cannot even tell you how excited I am. It's still empty, but I thought it was just going to be a real treat just to very quickly show you. This is wonderful because it's got this space down here and the doors open out. They don't come all the way to the edge. And so that is very nice. Not going to run into it. I am going to be removing this. But then on the top, that also opens out. And there is plenty of space. And what was really nice is that here was able to use the same brackets that had been on the other medicine cabinet. Also did that down here. And that just helped to make sure that it's not going to move anywhere. Those I will be painting real quick, just so that they match. But it's just great to be able to have this done. Of course, I just so many other things to do, but I wanted to make sure to show that this bathroom remodel, upgrade, redecorate, whatever you want to call it, is coming along. And there is more to come because there was more that was completed yesterday. But I will share that with you later. I hope you come back. Thanks.